In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitwarden on iOS. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple passwords and feeling the strain, then Bitwarden is just the tool for you. It's not only a reliable password manager, but also incredibly user-friendly when accessed on an iOS device. Let's dive right into it. First, to get started, you'll want to visit Bitwarden's website. You can easily find it by searching for Bitwarden online. This is your starting point, so go ahead and open up your browser and navigate to the home page. Once there, you'll notice Bitwarden's commitment to providing secure password management for both personal and enterprise use. This assurance of security is what makes it stand out in the world of password management tools. Next, we'll move on to logging into your Bitwarden account. Look for the Login option on the Bitwarden homepage once you've navigated there. Clicking on this will take you to a screen where you can enter your credentials. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process. Once you're comfortably logged in, it's time to explore the Bitwarden Vault. Head over to the Bitwarden Vault section. This is where all of your passwords and sensitive information will be securely stored. Think of it as your personal, highly secure digital vault. It's important to take a moment to browse through the interface if this is your first time using Bitwarden, as familiarizing yourself with the layout will make future tasks faster and simpler. Now, let's talk about downloading Bitwarden. Finding Bitwarden on the App Store is your next step. To do this, head back to the Bitwarden homepage and search for the Download section, usually prominently displayed. Once found, click on Download. This will lead you to several options, but for iOS users, you'll select Mobile. This choice will guide you to the Bitwarden mobile app. Finally, click on the App Store link when you're ready to install it on your device. This will redirect you right to Bitwarden's page on the App Store. Once there, you can download and install the app swiftly. The app is designed to integrate seamlessly with iOS, ensuring that you can securely manage your passwords with ease, even on the go. And there you have it, the process of using Bitwarden on your iOS device. Remember, whether you're managing passwords for personal use or business, Bitwarden is a robust solution that offers peace of mind through its legendary security features. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure you keep your passwords secure with Bitwarden.